Solve this. You have 14 seconds. Go. Time's up. The answer is A. Almost everyone hunts for what changes, bigger, rotated, more of them. Nothing fits, so they guess. But it isn't changing, it's combining. In each row, the third box is the first two laid on top of each other, and any mark they share cancels out. And that's what this video is about. Spatial questions look chaotic, the section most people fear. But every single one hides exactly one rule. Find the rule, and the answer is decided before you even look at the options. So let's get into it. Here's the system. 3 moves. Every spatial question on this test bends to the same 3 moves. Once you learn them, you'll see rules that were invisible before. Move 1. Track one thing at a time. Don't stare at the whole shape. That's how you get overwhelmed. Pick one feature and follow it across every frame. Just that one thing. Position, then rotation, then count, then shading, one channel at a time, and what looked like chaos snaps into a pattern. Move 2, name the rule. Most patterns are progressions. Something rotates, moves, or grows by the same amount each step, but some are combinations. The third box is the first two merged together. Shared marks cancel out. Your job is to ask, is this changing or is this combining? Name it. Then you own the question. Move 3, apply, then eliminate. Once you've named the rule, predict the answer in your head before you look at the options. Then go through the choices and cross off anything that breaks even one rule. The right answer is the only one that survives all of them. Predict first, eliminate second, pick last, keep an eye on the clock. 50 questions, 12 minutes, about 14 seconds each. If you're stuck, don't camp. Eliminate what you can, take your best guess and move on. No penalty for guessing, never leave a blank. Come back at the end if there's time. Let's run the system. Rule 1, rotation, watch the arrow, up, right, down. It turns 90 degrees clockwise with every step. So the next one points left. One feature, one rule, done. Rule 2, combine. This is the sneaky one. 2 boxes get laid on top of each other. Take the top left and the top right, overlap them. The top right corner appears in both, so it cancels out. What's left? Top left and bottom right. That's the answer. Rule 3, number, count the shapes. 1, 2, 3. Each step adds 1, so the next figure has 4. When things look random, try just counting. Now back to the opening question. It was a combine. In every row, the third box was the first 2 merged together. Shared dots canceled out. Not a progression, a combination. Once you see it, the answer was A all along. 3 mistakes that quietly cost people points. Let's make sure they don't cost you. Mistake 1, watching everything at once. Your eye jumps around and you see noise instead of a pattern. Fix it. Lock on to one feature, follow it across all the frames, then move to the next one. Mistake 2, trusting 2 frames. 2 pictures can support a dozen different rules. Always check a third frame before you commit. Otherwise, a coincidence becomes your answer. Mistake 3, camping on one question. Every question is worth exactly 1 point. Don't pour 2 minutes into one stubborn pattern. Eliminate what you can. Take your best guess. Move on. Come back at the end if there's time. So now you've got the 3-move system for spatial. Track one feature, name the rule, apply, then eliminate. But spatial is just one game on the board. The full playbook, every section, every shortcut, is the Quick Pass Wonderlic prep course. The link's in the description. Train the systems and walk in knowing every game on the board.